On a quiet night, when the noise of the world fades away, the constellation of Orion slowly rises above the horizon. 3 stars form a perfect line, Orion's belt. But just above them, glowing with a deep, unsettling red, is a star that feels different from the rest. That star is Betelgeuse. It doesn't shine like other stars. It pulses. It flickers. It subtly changes brightness as if it's breathing. For thousands of years, humans noticed this strange behavior without understanding it. Ancient observers saw Betelgeuse as a wounded warrior's shoulder. Others believed it was an omen, an unstable light in the sky. Today, we understand something far more profound. Betelgeuse is not sick. It is not damaged. It is old, and it is living on borrowed time. This star, clearly visible to the naked eye, is one of the few objects in the sky that reminds us the universe is not static. Stars are born, they live, and eventually they die. And Betelgeuse is very close to the end. To truly understand Betelgeuse, scale must be redefined. If Betelgeuse replaced our Sun, its outer surface would stretch beyond the orbit of Mars, possibly even reaching Jupiter. Mercury, Venus, Earth, all would be erased inside its swollen atmosphere. Yet despite its massive size, Betelgeuse is surprisingly light for its volume. It is bloated, expanded, and fragile. This is the signature of a red supergiant. Red supergiants are not stable stars. They are stars that have exhausted their core fuel and begun the slow process of collapse. Gravity and nuclear fusion are no longer in balance. Betelgeuse exists in this unstable state, too big to survive, too massive to remain calm. It is a cosmic giant standing on the edge of its own destruction. Unlike our Sun, Betelgeuse was never meant to last billions of years. Massive stars live fast. They burn their fuel at a furious rate. What the Sun consumes in billions of years, Betelgeuse burns through in mere millions. From the moment it ignited, Betelgeuse was racing against time. Its core fused hydrogen at extreme temperatures, creating intense outward pressure. But massive stars are greedy. They consume fuel faster than gravity can tolerate. Eventually, the hydrogen ran out, and that is when the clock truly began ticking. Helium fusion took over. Then carbon. Then oxygen. Each new fusion stage lasted shorter than the one before. Betelgeuse entered a phase where its fate was sealed, not by catastrophe, but by inevitability. As Betelgeuse aged, its structure began to fail. Its outer layers expanded dramatically, cooling as they stretched outward. This cooling is why Betelgeuse glows red instead of white or yellow. But expansion comes with a cost. The star began losing mass, an enormous amount of it. Powerful stellar winds ripped material from its surface, creating vast clouds of gas and dust that now surround the star. These clouds are so immense they dwarf our entire solar system. Betelgeuse is not simply aging. It is shedding itself into space. Astronomers are not watching a stable star. They are watching a star actively dismantling its own body, layer by layer. In 2019, Betelgeuse did something no naked-eye star had ever done before. It dimmed dramatically. Over several months, its brightness dropped by more than half. The world noticed. Scientists noticed. Panic spread. Was this it? Was Betelgeuse about to explode? The truth was both less dramatic and more unsettling. Betelgeuse had expelled a massive plume of material. As this material cooled, it condensed into dust, briefly blocking the star's light from our view. The star had not exploded, but it had ejected part of itself. This was not random behavior. It was the behavior of a star approaching the final stages of its life. Betelgeuse had reminded us, the end is coming. We just don't know when. One day, Betelgeuse's core will begin fusing iron. This is the point of no return. Iron fusion consumes energy instead of releasing it. When that happens, the outward pressure holding the star up disappears almost instantly. Gravity wins. In less than a second, the core collapses. Then violently it rebounds. A shockwave tears through the star. A supernova is born. For weeks, Betelgeuse will rival the brightness of the moon. It may even be visible during the day. Orion will gain a new, blinding light, and then lose it forever. What remains will be either a neutron star or a black hole. The giant will vanish, but its death will echo across the galaxy. Betelgeuse will not destroy Earth. Its explosion is too far away to harm us. Instead, it will teach us. Every heavy element in your body, iron in your blood, calcium in your bones, was forged in stars like Betelgeuse. Supernovae are not just endings. They are beginnings. They seed galaxies with the materials needed to form planets, oceans, and life itself. Betelgeuse reminds us that destruction and creation are inseparable in the universe. Right now, it still shines. It still breathes. It still waits. And someday, maybe long after humanity is gone, it will explode, quietly reminding the cosmos that even giants must fall.